Hi, hope you're all doing well. Thought I'd make a quick video just to talk about why I decided to get a Chromecast with Google TV. I have a TV at home which has been sat in a corner looking all lonely and forlorn for quite some time now, and I want to bring it back into use, hence Chromecast with Google TV. The reason I hadn't brought it back into use so far is because where I want to put it, there is no aerial ports, for the TV aerial. There isn't one nearby. There is one in the room, however, I would have to drag a cable across the ground and it would have just looked a bit ungainly, untidy, and it would be a bit of a trip hazard as well. Could knock the cable and the TV could go flying. So I decided against that up until I thought about a Chromecast, and hence I have a Chromecast. Now the TV I have, it's a 1080p TV. Chromecast of course will go up to 4K, but that doesn't bother me, and I'm not expecting to get 4K on a 1080p TV. That would not work. However, I will be happy to have the TV come to life and be able to place it where I want and make use of it again. And I thought I'd just make this video because there may be people out there who are interested in why I'm doing it, and they may be thinking the same reasons for getting a Chromecast themselves. If you are, let me know in the description, let others know, and let others know your experience as well. So yeah, the TV I have will hopefully become smart again thanks to the Chromecast with Google TV. This is the first video in this mini series, so to speak. Next up I'll do the unboxing, then I'll do some how-tos, just in case you're thinking of getting one. You'll see how you can do lots of little different things which will improve your experience with it. And then after a few weeks I shall do a review. Once I've fully gone through it and used it day in, day out, I'll do a review and tell you what I like, tell you what I don't like, and that's what's going to happen. So hopefully you'll stick around for those. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. I do other videos as well around iPhones, iPads, many other little tech things as well. So subscribe, give the video a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments if you have, or if you're thinking of getting a Chromecast, or if you think there's a better TV streamer out there. Thanks very much for choosing my video. Stay safe and hopefully catch you soon.